A lot of times, I know some of you guys that follow my page have never seen me rinse off my drum after the whole day of pouring concrete. So I'm just gonna show you guys how we do this. Okay, right now I just pull in to get some water. Let's go. So right here we get water here. So the water is not yet turned on. Let me go and turn it on. You backed in here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, sometimes depending on how you want it, you can just get like 50, 100, 200 gallons. 50, 100, 200 gallons, depending on what you feel or how you pour out, and you feel like, yeah, my concrete was too dry. My last concrete was too dry, or maybe blah blah blah. You feel like, okay, let me get it like 200 gallons or 300 gallons. Sometimes it just depend on how you feel. So you can tell truck waiting for me to finish, so they can come and grab some water. So after this, I'm gonna show you guys the other side how we dump the water. So the water will just come in here and flow in here. You see that gap over there? It will transition to the next one. So from the next one, it will keep going. Let me show you guys right quick. So it runs in here. From here, it goes in here smoothly. Then it will go out here. So that's how we see it all the time. Right now, I can tell probably maybe I have maybe 50 gallons so far. Maybe 50 gallons so far, or almost 100. So my last offload was kind of like 7-inch slump. So with 7-inch slump, I'm good with 100 gallons to rinse off. 100 gallons, 150 gallons to rinse off. Yeah, so far I feel like I'm getting there. I wasn't all the way in. See, I wasn't all the way in, so it's coming out. I need to check my license. So I think we are done for today. Today is Saturday. I think we are done, but I don't know. Because concrete job, there is no way you can predict any of this. Alright, I think I'm good. So I'm gonna drive out. This guy will come in here. Then I will show you guys over there. Alright. So we dump it over here. Let me get this out. It's already open right here. So I'm just gonna dump it out. So this is how we rinse it off every day. We do this every day. It's a must, because if you don't do this, you don't know. It will build up in your drum. Sometimes a lot of people, their concrete will build up so bad that instead of loading a 10 years load, they will drop down to 9 years load, because concrete build up so bad inside their drum. Some people, I don't know how they get away with that. You just gotta be careful with this, mixer stuff. Like treat this like your home. That's how I treat my truck. That's why it stays clean all the time. I like a clean truck. I don't even work so hard on it. I know how to maintain my truck. Like, even if I work 14 hours every week or 13 hours every week, I still know how to maintain my truck. And if I wash my truck, right now, for me to wash it again, sometimes a week or two, you know, a week or 2 weeks, I will get it back to normal. People think I work so hard on this truck. I don't work too hard on my truck. I know the areas that I really need to touch on, wipe with, and keep going. It's easy, you know. My in-law trained me how to do it, and it makes it so easy for me. At least for you to keep a truck clean, you know you're gonna be a clean guy too. My wife, when I first got here in America, my wife was always like, "Man, you fold your dirty clothes." I said, "I didn't even know that until she said it." Yeah, I do. I don't know why. It's just in me. It's just in me to do. You know. So this guy is backed up here, so he can discharge his own. This is what we do every day. So I don't know if we are done, but you never know. I'm trying to just be done. Today is Saturday. You guys know how I feel about Saturday. I don't feel like coming in on Saturday, but you gotta keep your family. Because if you don't come in, like today is Saturday and we don't even have 40 hours. If you miss today, you're not gonna get your 40 hours. So if you have like 10 hours for the week, that's what you're gonna get. And you know the rain messed up this week, so you must come in today. If you don't come in today, your 40 hours guarantee is gone. So I'm not gonna flex for today. I'm not gonna want to lose that. Because if you love your family, you wanna come and take care of your family, you know? It is what it is. Take care of your family by coming to work. So you don't lose your 40 hours guarantee. So this is what we do every day when we're about to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you have not subscribed to this page or this YouTube